All right, so we're going to look at a isocline for a particular differential equation. So let me get my axes set up. And come over here. And the differential equation we're going to look at is going to be dy dx equals 2x. So our job is this equation tells us the slope. And so by setting this equal to c, we're going to find all the places where we get a particular slope. So I want to say x is equal to c over 2. And so particular values of c will be my slope. So c is the slope of the function. And so I want to look for slopes of 0, -1, 1, -2, and 2 for right now. Those will be the slopes I'll look for. And so x is going to equal 0, -1/2, +1/2, -1, and +1. But look at what this tells me. This tells me when I have the value of x being 0, my slopes are 0. So I'm going to come over here in green and I'm going to look at this. I'm a blue. Let's see if I can find my... Yeah, okay. So anywhere up, I'm going to do it with a dash here. Dash in blue. This is my isocline of x equals 0. This equation that comes out of this, if I put in 0 for c, I get x equals 0. Well, that's an equation of a line that happens to be a vertical line. And in red, I'm going to put in my slope elements. So let's see here. So anywhere on the x-axis, my slope is going to be 0. So I'm going to put my little slope elements here. And I'm going to do the same for -1/2. So I'll come here, and at -1/2, I have a slope of -1. So let me draw the line of -1/2. So there's a dotted line, -1/2 going all the way up. There's my line, -1/2. Make it dashed. But my slope at -1/2 is -1. And so that gives me these little direction points. And I'll do the same thing I'll do +1. So the line +1, which is my isocline, which is the vertical line at +1. This is my isocline. Has slope elements of 2. So it's steeper here. And we should recognize, whoops, go away. No, go away, go away. There we go. We should recognize, I changed my color on me, that if I follow a solution curve here, come down from here somewhere, hit this and come out, and realize this is the derivative of x squared. And so we have parabolas. We have a solution curve of parabolas plus c. The thing to notice when we're building these isoclines is this x equals something of c is my isocline line. Now because this has no y, this is a vertical line. And when I set it to c, this value for c is my slope element.